welcome back to my channel. Do you notice anything different about me? If you guys can't tell, I have blue eyes. So normally I have brown eyes, dark brown eyes, but Iris Beauty was nice enough to send me some cool contacts. This video isn't sponsored by them, but they did send me these contacts, and I'm absolutely obsessed, so I decided, why not show you guys a makeup tutorial for blue eyes. It was really fun to see what looked cool with these, so I decided to go with an orangey look. Really quick before we get into it, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe down below and turn on post notifications. I would love you guys so much if you guys did that. So let's just get on with the video. Alright, so I'm starting off with my Smashbox primer. I don't always prime because I don't always use face makeup. For today, for the sake of the video, I figured why not. I'm just gonna toss my hair back because I'm doing my makeup. It's so weird to see myself with blue eyes. I'm still like, it's so weird, but I actually really like it. Next, since it's summertime, I don't like to use a full-on foundation, so I basically take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation along with this Jergens face moisturizer and I mix them sort of to make like a BB cream. But I really like this because this gives me a little bit of a glow, and yeah, it's a really good combo. I just go in with my beauty blender and kind of put this all over my face. This foundation is a little bit too light for me, so I'm just gonna be using like my bronzer probably to bronze myself up. Always make sure to blend it down your neck because we don't want any harsh lines. Next, I'm gonna be taking my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I believe I got this at like Generation Beauty last year or something like that, and I definitely will be repurchasing because it is actually amazing. It's super lightweight, yet it like has really, really great coverage for your under eyes. Next, I'm going in with the Stay Matte powder. This has been my go-to. I actually mentioned this in my Instagram besides my morning routine. My whole face makeup is the same as that, so that's why I'm kind of trying to go through it quickly. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check it out. It was a lot of fun to film, and I really liked the way it turned out. Next, I'm just gonna go with my NYC bronzer. Put it everywhere to bronze up my face. It's summertime, so we gotta get that sun glow. And I kind of just do like the 3 formation. That's like the spots where I put it on my face. Next, I'm just gonna be taking a highlighter. It's kind of like a golden colored highlighter. I'm putting this on my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow. Those are my favorite spots. It's where the light would naturally hit you, so I seriously cannot get over these blue eyes. So now onto the eye look. I'm really excited to do eyes for these blue eyes. This is a natural look though, so I'm not gonna be doing too much. This is something that you guys could wear every day during the summertime. I'm kind of going to do like a brownie orange look. Orange will really make these blue eyes pop, so let's do it. I'm just going in with my Urban Decay primer. This is the GOAT, actually. I've been using this primer for I don't even know how long, like literally forever. Ever since I got into makeup, I think. So first, I'm just going to be taking the Half Fake eyeshadow from Urban Decay. I believe this is in one of the Naked palettes. It's just a golden eyeshadow, but I have it in a single. I'm just gonna be putting this all over my eyelid. Next, taking just like a blendy, fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking Buck by Urban Decay. I'm putting this in my crease in my outer corner a little bit just to darken up the look slightly before we put the orange in. Next, I'm just gonna be taking this like quad. I literally don't even know the brand of this, Bora possibly. I'm just gonna be taking the orange shade in this and putting this in my crease, kind of just all in my crease to make the make the eye look orange. I'm gonna bring it down on the lid a little bit too so that it makes it pop, and bring it up towards the brow bone as well. Next, I'm just gonna be taking this Makeup Forever eyeshadow. It's a duo palette. I'm just gonna be taking the dark brown eyeshadow and putting it along my lash line on the top and the bottom to darken up the look. Now onto brows, I'm just using this NYX gel, and I believe this is Maybelline, I'm not completely sure. Just a pencil, any sort of pencil will do the trick. I like to get my brows going in the right direction first, so I brush them up and over. And basically what I do with my eyeliner, I go along the bottom first and then fill in and then go along the side. Once I get them mostly filled in, I like to take the brush again and brush them out to make them have no harsh lines basically, and then I just touch up again. Now once they're all filled in, I just take my brow gel to set the look. As you can tell, I love a bold brow. I feel like it really defines my face and it looks super cool with these blue eyes. My favorite look is dark hair with blue eyes, and that's what I love, so here we are. And now lastly, I'm just gonna be curling my eyelashes and applying my mascara. First, I'm just gonna be going in with this CoverGirl mascara and doing a first top coat of this. I feel like this just helps my eyelashes get going in the right direction, and then it preps them for my actual mascara. Next, I'm just gonna be going in with the They're Real by Benefit mascara, and coating this all over my lashes. All right, and this is the finished look. I really like to use lipstick in the summertime because it just really gets really annoying, so I just like to stick to chapstick. Carmex is by far my favorite, so definitely you should pick up some Carmex if you guys haven't. So this is the finished look. I guess I'll take my hair down. I absolutely love this. I think it looks so cool with the blue eyes. I definitely am gonna be wearing these more often. They're not annoying at all. It is a little bit foggy, but I definitely get used to it. Like, it's not at all. When I first put them in, I was like, wait, this is kind of weird. It looks like I have like a blue glaze over my eyes, but it's not anymore. So cool. I'm literally obsessed. So thank you so much to Iris Beauty for sending me these dope contacts. I'm like actually obsessed. Comment down below if you guys would want to see me do a makeup tutorial for any other colors. I know that website has like a bunch of different cool ones, like scary ones like white. But these ones are super natural looking and I feel like they're not too blue. I got the gray ones. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe down below and turn on post notifications. I would love that so much if you guys could do that. And again, comment down below if you guys want to see me do any other colors. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And yeah, bye.